SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands at the forefront of the building construction industry, offering comprehensive design and construction services that epitomize excellence and innovation. With a robust portfolio spanning residential, commercial, and industrial projects, the company has established itself as a paragon of architectural ingenuity and structural integrity. SCON Design's multidisciplinary team of architects, engineers, and project managers collaborates seamlessly to deliver turnkey solutions that not only meet but exceed client expectations. Their meticulous approach to construction encompasses every phase, from initial conceptualization and detailed planning to execution and post-construction support, ensuring that each project is a testament to their unwavering commitment to quality. The company's expertise in building construction is evident in their utilization of cutting-edge technologies and sustainable practices. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd employs state-of-the-art building information modeling BIM software to create precise 3D representations of structures, facilitating better decision-making and minimizing errors during the construction process. Their adherence to green building principles is reflected in their LEED certified projects, which showcase their dedication to environmental stewardship without compromising on aesthetics or functionality. The firm's proficiency extends to a wide array of construction methodologies, including pre-engineered building systems, reinforced concrete structures, and steel fabrication, allowing them to tailor their approach to the unique requirements of each project. Quality control is paramount at SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, with rigorous standards applied at every stage of construction. Their ISO 9001:2015 certification underscores their commitment to maintaining the highest levels of quality management systems. The company's in-house quality assurance team conducts regular inspections and employs advanced testing methods to ensure that all materials and workmanship meet or exceed industry standards. This unwavering focus on quality has earned SCON